Good morning, everybody. It is Monday. Welcome back to the channel. Taking a look here at the market. So end of the week, we had a really nice sell-off, getting a bounce here, coming back up pre-market. We opened Sunday night. So watching here to see what we can get. Are we going to get the bounce back up? Are we just retesting the pop for the move lower? Let me switch over to this here, actually, what I'm looking at. So a couple interesting things. You know, we put in this long wick. It's really trying to push back up into this level here, get back up into 15,800. We did come into that prior highs that we put in, prior support. If we look at the weekly here, coming into the weekly levels, there's support a little bit lower on the NASDAQ that we could get into. If I go to the QQQ, triple Qs as well, same type of ordeal coming in here. Weekly, we actually went right into the weekly. The close of this candle, 372.04. The high of this candle, 372.01. So they closed over it by 3 cents. Maybe that's an accident. Maybe it's a little sign there that they were still able to close it above that weekly level. Nonetheless, if you look at the weekly on NQ, we've already started to move up and then coming back in, retesting the low of the week here of July 24th. So really what I'm looking for, I want to see this. I have a good feeling about just the way everything's set up that we're going to be moving back up into these levels here. If we actually go over here, you have the same thing with the SPX on the daily. 9 and 20 are about to cross bearish. Looks like we're probably going to open a little bit higher here. And then same thing, looking for that push up. We'll have to see though. We're under the moving averages. We've had some pretty bearish candles. So we're going to look for some clean setups either way. Let me put it back on the screen here. You know, looking at the hourly, we're above the 9, we're above the 20. We have an hourly long right here. If I go to the 4-hour here, you know, it's almost kind of like a head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder, you know, come down. And then we do have that support 4-hour setups a little bit lower down here. So it's really tough to say which way we're going to go. I want to look for some solid setups today. I don't want to take just something just to take it. Market's opening in about 15 seconds here. So on the hourly, I'm not just going to take this hourly setup here. There's too much going on in this level, too much in the middle. Let's see what they do. So technically it's a 15-minute long setup right here. Let's see what they do. $30-minute open. 30-minute short setup. 15-minute long setup. We're on the moving averages. 18 points right there. Not stopping. 24 points. Look at the 4-hour into the 9. We got the 20 there. SPX opened in the middle of that previous candle. Lots of strength. That weekly level's at 483.75 right up here, and then you had that previous high which is, looks like that's what we just came into right here. The previous high right here, 74.50. That's about what we just came into right now. Big rejection. Made a new high here, came back down. Right into the 20 on the 4 hour. Taken that setup before. Yeah, there's that 403, 400 level. That's the hourly right there in the 20. Something like that. If we came into this right here, I would take it with stops under the low. It's a good risk reward trade. 400 level. Let's look around here. Trying to hold the 30-minute, 15-minute. It's a few different setups it's trying to hold here.
Order working. Order working.
Yeah, if we come back down here into this 403.50 level, that 5-minute PCH level right here as well on the hourly, we've been holding. Stop under the lows towards the bottom of the range of this move here, and then looking for us to get some sort of relief bounce. If I can take it back up into like 430, that's a great trade right there. It's about 3-to-1 risk reward. I'm okay to start off the day with that. Also, side note, took a couple of trades yesterday evening at the open for Sunday at 6 o'clock. So we're already up here. 3, 4, 5, yeah, about $620 or so. So not too bad there. A little bit of a head start. But yeah, so we're gonna watch here. See what sets up. Looks like it's putting in a big doji candle. 5-minute candle. We got about 30 seconds left. Hourly just indecisive right now. Huge range on this candle. I mean, 412. It's about a 60-point range in first 5 minutes. So hopefully we get some volatility today. See where they end up closing it. Maybe we get that spike down 5-minute open and move back up. I'm down for that. New 5-minute candle open, close under the 9, under the 20. Yeah, I can't grab it here. Give me that spike through the low that we put in there. Give me that 404 level. Stop under the 400, under that low there, 393. And I'll take that. I'll take that deal. Triple Qs. Went into the weekly level.
Order
I'm gonna actually grab it right there. Stop under the low.
Order working.
I like this setup. Let's see if we're gonna hold here. If not, I mean, I'll get stopped out, no problem.
Stop filled.
All right, quick stop there. So we're gonna look for 403.
Order working.
50.
Order working.
Watching the candles, the way they played out there, 5-minute, making new high. So if we did make that new low there, stop out, which I did. Looking for that spike back up.
Order filled.
All right, got tagged in there on the 5 minute. Set up near towards the bottom of the range. Stop under the lows. So happy with that one there. Let's see if we hold that or if they're just going to send it lower. It's trying. Flashing up, down. Yeah, I like this level. New 15-minute candle gonna open here soon. Wow.
Stop filled.
Just like that. We got that move back up, but just, man, got sold off into really hard. Could have taken it off there. Yeah, I was looking for more to start building up these wicks. Had a really nice entry there. New 15-minute candle open. Let's watch and see what we get here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna grab it here. I like the way this is setting up for the move lower. Just about coming into that 5 minute there. Looking to get back into the lows here.
Order working. Order working. Order filled.
I'm gonna take it there. Take it off into the lows. See what else sets up here. Getting that drop down actually into that level there.
Order filled.
I'm gonna grab it there. I got it a little bit higher than I wanted. 71.
Order working.
Coming into the hourly level. Stop is right on that 30-minute. Want to give it a little bit more room here. Fill wasn't the best. We got about 5 points higher. I take it at 80, about 3 points higher than I would have liked to have owned it at. Ever stop in place. I'd like to get it back up into 20 here, 19. Try to fill this wick back up. Nice candle there. Needs to get back over 400. Levels. There we go. Get through 400.
Order working.
Take it off 409.25.
Order filled.
Nice. Nice move there. Hourly long setup. Back up into the moving averages here. There's that volume at 420. A little bit higher, 15 and 30-minute moving averages. I don't want to let the same thing happen like before. This is a SPA. There's a 5 minute short, 5 minute 9. I'm okay taking it there. Good risk reward on the trade nonetheless. Huge range this morning. 473, 100 point range in the first 22 minutes. That's nutty. There you go. Actually hit that 420 level. See what sets up here today and get on with the next one. Thinking about getting long here. We still held that hourly level. We have a 15-minute long setup. Trying to form here. 5 minute near the bottom of the range.
Order filled.
I'm going to grab it long there. Top of the hour. They did close it under. That's tough. Technically, that is an hourly short setup. Or they just spiked it through the lows, so.
Stop filled.
All right. Stopped out just like that. Yeah, I mean, that is an hourly short setup. I'm going long into it. What should I expect there? Like that bottom of the range, if we could hold that and I'll make a new low. 15-minute long setup. But hourly just proved too much there. 4 hour coming back down. See if they're gonna hold this 337 level or so. All right, gonna watch and see what happens and get on with the next one.
Order
I'll
filled.
get short that.
Order working.
Not holding that 5 minute there. If we break over this, then I'll get out.
Stop filled.
Tagged out there. Watching on the side here, just looking for that continuation down. Typically those like to fill back down. There's a lot of liquidity sitting at 50. Chance to come back down there, so we did get that spike of a new high over the previous candle. Still technically under that hourly setup, so see what happens there.
Order working. Order filled.
I'll grab it there, get short back into the moving averages on the hourly. Looking for the move lower. I have a 30-minute short above. Moving averages on the 15. And we have that spike of volume there at 20.
Order working.
Give a little bit more room there. Still coming into the levels here. A consolidation, all the moving averages on most of the time frames here. After this run back up. Short setup.
Order working.
Looking for the move back down here into that 5-minute long setup. Just waiting and watching here. Looking for this trade to play out. So far, so good. Just getting rejected into the short setups, into all the moving averages. Came back up to the mean. So just looking for that bounce back down afterwards. 5 minute, breaking the 9, breaking the 20. Long setup right here is at 90, so we got a couple points above. Looking for about 25 points. Gonna have a new 15-minute candle here opening in about 2 minutes or so. We're selling pressure down. Looking for the shove lower here.
Order filled.
Gonna grab it there. It's just hovering around. Want to see a little bit quicker selling. Could easily still come back into it, but if not, I mean, that's pretty close. It could bounce there and could call that the level. Man, whipsaw of a day. Green, red, up, down, but it's all right. That's why you take your stops, though. You don't take your stops, we're gonna go from green to a big red. We don't want big red. You can manage this. So, see, getting the bounce there. What do we actually hit? Look at that. Actually hit 92.25. Wonder if my order actually would have gotten filled, though. All right, not bad there. That was a 5-minute long setup. Nice trade back down there. New 15-minute candle about to open here under the 9, under the 20, rejecting that volume at 20 again. Technically, it is a long setup. We did close within after making a new low. It's an interesting spot. Definitely an interesting spot. I still think we go long on the day. Yeah, we're holding this here. get back up into 4 or 550. I think that's where we want to be here. Is it going to take until next hour? We'll have to see. A long setup. Didn't quite give the dip down for good risk reward on the trade under the moving averages. Trying to make a new high here. Haven't made a new high yet since the open on the 15-minute candle. This one hasn't yet. Trying. Still at that short setup there. Five-minute. At the top here.
Order working.
I was interested in grabbing that short. Really tight stop. I'll grab under 420 under the volume. Ah.
Order working. Order filled. Order working.
We'll put a tight stop there. Five-minute short setup. It's just been struggling. That 15-minute was able to breach a new high. But man, just struggling here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna grab it there, take it off back to a little above the 9. I mean, we could dump a lot lower, but we're still holding that 5. We're kind of in the middle here. Just a really quick scalp off the volume at 420, just failing under that 20 SMA. Really tight stop. Nice little scalp there. I'm fine with that. Let's see what we get next. Pushing back up. New 5-minute candle here. Closed above. See if they rip it.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
grab it long there, back into the 9. Dumping it back down.
Order working.
Just got $200 there. Looking for this push higher here. $37.50.
Order working.
Back into these highs here, probably like $35.75 or so. Look around here. Volume sitting at 440. Volume. SPX, ES looking to move up here. Might send it through the 9 here. Let's see, it's getting dicey. Make or break here. Need a strong push up. Need to make a new high. Take back into here. Really just want to see a spike at this point. I mean, we're holding the 9, holding the 20. Break of trend here on the 15-minute. We have some short setups here that we've already kind of come into, made the move down, rejected off of. We already had that 30-minute, that 15-minute rejection. Still sitting on that level though, so that's really what we're looking for here. Just get that spike up. Just taking too long right now. The more it sits here, the more it makes me think that we're gonna fail. But still valid, still over the 9. Yeah, really just looking to take it into the tops here. 35.75. Volume still sitting at 40. SPX and ES making big moves. That 5-minute candle kind of scares me the way that's setting up. I want to see this thing go green. I'm going to take it there. We close over the 9, over the 20. This thing could keep moving up. I don't know. I just don't like the wick. I don't like the way it closed. So we're at a very tight spot here where it could reject. I want to see that quick move into 35. Into these highs here, just taking a while. I mean, we're up 2K. I'm okay with that. Still on that 30-minute short. Yeah, see, it's just struggling. Like, only hit 32.75. Yeah, I'm fine with that sell. Let's see what else sets up for us here. I like the look of this for the short. Rejecting 15-minute. We're looking to close underneath. 5-minute. I like the candle structure here. 5-minute 1, 2, 3 short. Got our little relief bounce. Lower volume as we're moving up. Look to take it back down, probably into
order
I'm
filled.
gonna grab it right before. Five-minute 1, 2, 3 setup. 15-minute closed underneath. Trying to make that 920 cross bullish, but looks to me like we're gonna roll back over here. Probably take it back into
Order working.
back down into that level there. Yeah, 920. Gonna try. There's definitely gonna be some people stepping up here. Get that push there.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna take it there. Close enough. Little bounce spot potential. Quick trade at the open. I mean, this thing could drop hard, but we're gonna take those trades there. Always could try and look to reclaim. We're up 2,600 on the day. Not trading the P&L, just trading the setups here. So really nice. Came back up, retested that breakdown spot. See if we're gonna get some continuation down, or if it's gonna try and reclaim here and then move higher. Probably gonna end it there. Solid day, a couple of scalps, couple of good trades. Hourly, you know, just this huge range, this 100-point range that we've been in this morning, or I guess even more now. Yeah, take your stops, stay on top of it, and nice day today. We'll see you guys tomorrow. If you're liking the videos, subscribe, you know, hit that bell so you guys get notifications every day when I upload. Like the video, comment. If you have any questions for me, feel free to ask, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the morning. Bye-bye.